boy. Alright, a little windy. Craftsman's doing some work. Gonna get the potatoes in the ground this afternoon. If not, later today. Gonna grab coffee and change batteries. Alright, hopefully the wind's not too, still breezy out, sorry about that. Planting potatoes now. Just, yeah, the field. I crosshatched tilling and I got about halfway done. So what I'm going to do here is take some string, a couple poles, go up the length and hill out some, well, make rows and plant potatoes. Just chip potatoes. They're a bit grown. The chips are pretty big. Anyway, I'm going to plant them anyway. Yeah, it doesn't have to be, complicated or anything. Basically, I got a string, piece of rope. Whoops, there's a piece of rope, and there's about 2 feet of rope, and it's basically cut. Oh boy, about 2 feet of rope, and basically with a knot in the middle, and yeah, I just kind of plant it like that. But the plants are 12 inches apart. Probably can go a little bit more. Got a lot of potatoes, so I might make 2 or 3 rows. Anyway, enough chat. I'm going to set up the camera and get the potatoes on the ground. Alright, here we are. So, a couple rows on up. I'll just do these on camera so you can see the process. Basically, it's not much of a process. You just go up the line, drop potatoes in every foot, and just cover them over. I'm going to use a hill method this year, and like when they come up out of the ground, you cover them back over again, type of thing. Leave a couple of these, and yeah, that's pretty well all I do. I do it 2 or 3 times a year. Water them. I'm not going to water them right away because we're expecting rain tomorrow. So, and I don't want the ground to get too compacted, because potatoes don't like that. They like they don't push into the ground like a tree root does, let's say. They want nice fluffy soil, and I got pretty good soil, you know. That far end is a lot of clay, so yeah, I'll just set the camera back up and a little bit closer view to see what I'm doing, and yeah, I hope that's all going to be captured on film. All right, hang on. Yeah, so just lightly cover them over. I think that's all you need to do. I'm going to carry on because I got another flat. I can put in maybe another 2 rows. Yeah. So, anyway. Get your elbow, sorry. Whew. What was I saying? Yeah, just check back in, the week